Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Zulay. She had her scoop party. She had another scoop party on Tuesday the 5th. She put them up for sale on Friday the 1st. So yeah, I jumped right on it because I love her scoops. These are the Halloween scoops. I got 2 acrylic scoops and 2 bling scoops. So yeah, it came super fast. Like I said, she did the scooping on Tuesday and I just got it today. So yeah, I'm so excited. I don't even remember really what colors I got because I was so excited, like typing, you know, thank you. And so yeah, I don't even remember what I got. And I tried to screen record and for some reason it said I couldn't, like said privacy or something, so I couldn't even screen record. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. I'll be right back. All right, so I got it open here, and yes, she had some little containers that had these little spiders. The little holographic spiders are super cute. So yeah, I got 2 of those. So I'm actually gonna put one in, put it away for a giveaway because I don't need 2. There's so many in there. So yeah, I'm gonna put one in a giveaway. And then, oh my gosh, here's my bling. Here, let me move this over here. Look how big this is. So yeah, I did get 2 scoops. Oh my gosh, oh I love this. This is so cute. Let me see. Oh, and it has a little lip thing on it. Let me zoom in a little bit. It has the little, oh my god, I always love her bling. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, look at this big one. Oh, how cool. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like the neon. Yeah, there's just a bunch of different bling in here. I see a little butterfly. Let me see, let me get my, there's a pink one. I just want to see some of the stuff in here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Look at this. Oh, look at. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, I love these. These are pretty. Oh, look at that. How pretty. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Yeah, look at all this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So yeah, I think that's amazing. 2 scoops, and I love this container with a lid on it. And then look, it even says Zulay. Alright, and so these are the acrylics. Alright, and I just want to say too, I'm so excited because Zulay and Lovely Mimi, or It's Lovely Mimi, they're going to be doing a meet and greet. They're going to do it on October 1st in Riverside, California, I think at 4 o'clock. Zulay and Mimi have all the information on their Instagram. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go meet them. I'm just so excited. Yeah, I live pretty close to where they're gonna be. So yeah, I'm so excited to meet her. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these opened. All right, so yeah, I did get 2 scoops. These are included. So I got 3 of the 1 ounce, and then 4 of the ½ ounce, and then the 2 little spiders. So yeah, I don't think that's bad for the 2 scoops. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put one of the spiders in a giveaway. And then what I do remember is, oh yeah, this one, the Putona Red. I already have this one. I got this in a scoop, I don't know, a while back. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in the giveaway also. So yeah, I won't swatch that one. I already have it swatched, so I'll show you guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch them, but then I'll show you guys. Instead of showing them now and then swatching them, it takes too much time. But yeah, I got Dark Magic, Hocus Pocus. You can kind of already see what they look like. Cursed Broomstick. And then Halloweeny. This one is Jack-O-Lantern. This one looks good. It's got like black and orange. And then this one is Vampire. This one looks like a red. Alright, so I'm going to get everything ready and we'll go ahead and swatch them. Alright, so I will be using the Zulay Smooth Set Monomer and the number 16 unicorn brush. Her unicorn brush, it's limited edition. I'm not sure if it's available or not. I'll check and I'll put it up on the screen. We're going to start with Dark Magic, and it's a real pretty purple. It's got purple hexagons and then like fine hexagons in it. But yeah, the shift in it is really, really pretty. So yeah, the Zulay's monomer is amazing. It's my absolute favorite. I did these swatches at my nail desk, which is in the dining room. And yeah, it's Saturday, so everyone was here and nobody complained about the smell. I even asked my son, I said, does it smell real bad? And he's like, no, I don't really smell anything. So yeah, I do have an air purifier by my desk, but even with some other brands, it still is just so strong. And this is just barely even an odor. Like, I just really enjoy it, and it's a really good monomer. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get another one because I'm running a little bit low on it. But yeah, it is my absolute favorite monomer. But look at this, how pretty this is. Oh gosh, it's just gorgeous. And then Hocus Pocus. This one is so cute. It literally is like all the colors of Halloween in one. It's got purple, it's got like gold, orange, it's got this real pretty green. It's got some little white ones in there. Like, oh, it's just, yeah, this one's one of my favorites. It's just so colorful and it's so cute. I'm definitely going to be using this. Yeah, I'm not ready to do Halloween sets yet, so I won't be using these for a little while still. I still want to do some fall sets, but look at this. Yeah, I did speed it up and I didn't show the whole entire thing because I've used her acrylics before, and I like them. I enjoy them. I have so many now. I have a pretty good collection. But yeah, just to get an idea of the colors, this is Jack-o'-lantern. And yeah, it's got orange and black and just super cute. So I think she said she's not going to be doing any more scoops till next year. I don't think she'll be doing any Christmas ones because she said next year. So I'm not sure, maybe for spring or... yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's always so fun when she has her scoop parties. So yeah, look at this one. Oh, it's so cute. Then we have Halloweeny. And this one has purple, orange, and black hexagons. And it's a darker one. It's really, really pretty though. I like the orange hexagons that she uses. They're kind of like an orangey gold. They're not like a bright, you know, orange. Just, yeah, perfect for Halloween. But yeah, look at that, how cute that is. And then we have Cursed Broomstick. Now, I really like this one. This one is the smaller hexagons. I think they're like medium size. They're a lot smaller than the other ones, and then it's got fine glitters. This one would be, I think I'm actually going to use this one probably for a fall set. I think you could use it for fall, even though it's got black in it. But it's just got like that goldy, you know, orange color, and I think it would be cute for a fall set. So yeah, I really like this one, and I like that the glitters are smaller too. And then the last one I'm going to swatch is Vampire, and then of course this is a red. I really like this red. I thought there was maybe black in it, but it's not. It's just a very deep, like exactly like a vampire red. So yes, look at that, how pretty. All right, so this is everything all swatched here and everything that I received. So yes, I was telling you earlier, the Putona Red, I already have this from previous scoops. And so I'm just going to show that one and then Vampire next to each other. You can see the Vampire's a little bit darker red and it's got the smaller hexagons. And then the Putona one is brighter and it has like the bigger hexagons. And then Cursed Broomstick, Hocus Pocus, and Dark Magic. Look how pretty. I love Cursed Broomstick. It just, I think, like I said, it's going to be perfect for fall. And Hocus Pocus also has like Mardi Gras vibes to me. And then we have the Jack-o'-lantern here, and then the Halloweeny, super cute. And I did use her top coat on there. I didn't use a clear, I just clear acrylic. I just used her top coat, and look how shiny it is. It's like super shiny. And then of course we have my 2 bling scoops, and then my little holographic spiders, which I'll be putting one in the giveaway also. So yeah, I enjoy her products so much, and like I said, her scoop parties are always fun. Make sure you check her out. Check her out, especially on TikTok when she does her lives. It's so much fun. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.